China some white. Yes, yeah. We know come.
What's up? My name is Mr. Drew, and I'm here to face the fans on MX24. Don't go nowhere, silly. Charlie, keep pushing, more fire every day. Just keep pushing, more determination, and keep being yourself. That's all. I was good in maths. I was good in pre-tech, English, West. I didn't like science. Yeah. Growing up. Oh yeah, bullying there. There used to be this big girl. I wouldn't say fat. A big girl. She was bigger than everybody in the class, and she'd usually meet me after school and then beat me. So I would say bullying. Yeah, me too. Hardcore. I wanted to be like, the hardcore guy. So and then she ended up beating me. Those days they used to have this local cinema, right? And then they were made out of wood. And then there were little spaces in the structure. So after school, we just go and peek and then try and watch whatever they are watching without paying to enter. And then one day somebody just collected like a pile of sand in their palm, and then it was all in my face, in my eyes, and I couldn't cry because nobody sent me. So I just took it like that and went home. I was told to write names of talkatives, and I got a lot of names, but I ended up, making noise as well. So I felt like, let me just get rid of the whole thing. So when the teacher came, I was like, I didn't get anybody to, write down in my list. I think that was the only thing that I could do. I think that would be Kelvin Boy, and recently I find myself listening to Adina a lot. I don't know why. Overrated, yeah, and if you say plenty people be overrated, it's not just one person. A lot of people. I won't mention names. Yeah, so I haven't really had a worse stage experience. I think the only time that I did have like a little bit of problem was I was supposed to, I dance as well. So I was supposed to join my dancers to dance at a particular point in the performance, and I forgot. And I was in the crowd, jamming with the crowd. So I think that's it. I think I'd rather win the lottery. Be able to talk to animals. Go into the future, definitely. X-ray vision, because Charlie, I foresee things very necessary. Very necessary. Okay, this has been Mr. Drew, and this is how I face my fans.